Hi, my name is Madeline and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I create knitting content here on YouTube, so that includes things like reviews and also tutorials. So if you're interested in seeing more of my channel, make sure to subscribe down below. In this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing, and what I'm going to be unboxing is Quince Quarterly. So what it is it's a subscription service or box offered by Quince Co. that comes out 4 times per year. And I'll talk a little bit more about the details of the one I got in a second. But just wanted to say right off the bat, this video is not sponsored. I purchased this box with my own money, and I was pretty excited to snag one. They did sell out pretty quickly. So I'm just going to be giving you my honest first impression of what's in this box. At the time you're seeing this video, I haven't knit it yet, so you're just going to be seeing what's in the box, basically, and how it's all organized. So just a little information about what the box is. So there's 2 levels. There's level 1 and level 2. With level 1, you can make a small accessory, and with level 2, you're supposed to be able to make a larger accessory. So each box comes with the pattern, the yarn to make it, and then also they call it a variety of special goods and treats. So that's not really described too much. Not sure what that'll be. We'll have to see when we open the box. This box arrived in the mail on Friday, and it is now Monday, but I made sure to not look on Instagram or anything like that to see what anyone else had gotten in there, so it'll be just as much as a surprise to me as it is to you guys as you're seeing it. So just a little background information on the ordering process of this box and kind of what I thought of that. So they came out, I want to say, if I remember correctly, it was December 6th. Let me just check. Yep, December 6th. And they were available on the Quince Co website. They sent out an email saying when they were going to be available, so that's how I found out about them. That I'm subscribed to Quince Co the emails. So I went on and I initially tried to order just one box because there's kind of 2 different ways you can order it. You can do the subscription, which is $90, and they charge you 4 times per year basically every time they send you one. Or you can order a one-time box, which is $100. So I'm personally am more of a fan of just the one-time thing because I don't like reoccurring charges on anything. And personally with yarn, I like to be able to pick out exactly what I'm getting. So I just thought it would be fun to try it once. So I was just trying to do the one-time box. But it actually kept on giving me an error message every time I tried to check out with the one-time purchase. I'm not sure what was going on there. I tried calling and asking what was going on, but they just have one of those audio recorders as their answering machine, so you just leave a message and then they call you back. But I was too afraid they were going to sell out, so I just signed up for the subscription, and here it is now. So that was kind of funky. It kept on giving me the error message. I'll put it on the screen now. And it kept on telling me I had to choose the different shipping option or something like that, but shipping's included in the box, so I'm not sure entirely what I was talking about. I didn't have that problem at all when I did the subscription option. I'm not sure. It was also a little confusing because it almost seemed like there weren't any of those available, the single boxes. But the way it was worded to me was that there's basically a certain allotment of subscriptions, and then once all those subscriptions are full, any boxes that are left over will go to the one-time purchasers. But since it's the first time, there shouldn't be any subscriptions that already exist. So maybe they were just only trying to get people to sign up for subscriptions. I'm not sure. It seemed kind of misleading though. But yes, I ordered this the day it came out, and then they did sell out that day. I got my shipping notification on December 26th. So initially I thought that was the day it was going to start shipping, but it didn't actually start the shipping process until January 2nd, so about a week later. And then after that, I got it 2 days later because it was shipped priority. So it did come very quickly after it was shipped. And one last thing about it too is that there were 2 color options. There was option A and option B. Option A was contemporary chill and option B was vintage warmth. So I went with option A. So I'm going to have contemporary chill colors in this one. So now I will turn the camera around and we will see what's in the box. So now I will just open up the box here. So my right off the bat first impression is that it's very cute. So this is a card telling me about their newest yarn, which is called Crane. So I'll have to read that in a second. And then on the tag it just says Winter 2019 Level 2. So that's the specific box that I ordered here. And the way this is wrapped is really, really nice. Oh, I probably should have mentioned that too. When I ordered Level 2 this time, it said that Level 2 specifically was going to come with the Quince Co's newest yarn. So basically it's a yarn that hasn't been released yet, but basically the way you can get it is through the box right now. So it's set to debut in late January 2019. And let's see. Okay, so here is their newest yarn. Ooh, this is really soft. So it is, I'll just tell you about it first. Not sure if I can get that to focus enough, but it's 50% Super Kid Mohair and 50% Superfine Merino, and it's a single ply. It's very, very soft. Let's see, it's a worsted weight. You get 208 yards, and you're supposed to use a US 6 or US 7. Grown in the USA and South Africa, spun and dyed in South Africa. And this is a gorgeous color too. It actually is showing up, I'd say it's showing up a little bit lighter on camera than the actual color. So in my kit, I get 3 skeins. And then these look like chocolates. Yep, so you get some chocolates. So those are some chocolates from Maine. They're a very cute little chocolate sheep. Next up is a Quince Co tote bag made in the USA. And then finally, this is the pattern it came with. So let me just check real quick if I can turn the page without showing it. Not sure I can, but it's called the Boreas Scarf and Shawl, and there are just some more angles of that one. But this one is a really nice, it's a printed pattern, it feels like cardstock. I love printed patterns, so I'm very excited that it comes with one of these and not just the download of the pattern. It's probably one of my favorite things in here. So yes, that is everything that came inside of this Quince Co quarterly box. I'll be sure to update you guys on Instagram or here on YouTube about how I liked knitting the yarn and what I thought of the pattern. Quince Co makes a lot of gorgeous yarns though, so I'm sure this is going to knit up beautifully. If you have any questions that I didn't answer in this video about the box or just generally about knitting with it, just let me know down in the comments down below and I'll be happy to help you out. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe down below.